Warning: the following video contains strong language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
I wouldn't filter until it's red. I've been watching a lot of YouTube recently. A lot of people up here don't fucking look. And I mean that, like, literally. Oh yeah, I'm putting the stop, you know, when we do the decat. Well, this is loud with the cat. Oh, I'm going to let you go first anyway, because I'm not ending up in the car. And as you can tell, I need to demist. The only thing that misses up is with glasses. Oh, he's over walking. Oh, I was tempted to put my back the fuck up shit on, but it's not going to fit over the leather jacket because of the hump. Yeah, but I didn't want to get the same as you. But remember, I want to make me kind of own. That's up to you. Literally, I want to make me sort of my own, like, you know, the arse one. The kiss. You might as well just kiss it. I noticed one thing with you. I like rolling on round the corner. You just go hammer, roll off, hammer. The only problem is, I go in way too high of gear for corners. It's like, I go around going to fourth gear, which is good for the straights. For a corner, it isn't. But I don't want to fucking stream this today, else you will. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I put my indicator on. It's gonna be nice when I get the LEDs in. I'm gonna get LEDs on this bike. I'm gonna make sure I customise this so I really don't have an excuse to get rid of it. Like, this is good for until I get like to 15, 16,000. Not miles, but it's going to be alright for another couple of years. Like, my shoes is 904 quid on it. It's just on the restrictor, it's slow. I want it removed, but I can't have it removed. Yeah. But the thing is, they didn't even check my bike for a restrictor when the crash happened up here, because they look at your licence, the A2, they look at the bike, see, is it compatible? Yeah. But the guy didn't even look at the licence properly. He just looked, oh, full licence, he says he's on a full licence, A2 compliant, okay. But he'd then be a bike cop. It's like the insurance. Yeah. I've been looking around, you know, Rivy and Chorley way for, like, places to go and eat. And I found the Keyway factory. Well, Kiwis get fucking made in the UK. For the whole of the Northwest. No. I wish we went, wait, Kiwis in Chorley? Literally, they ship them from China over here and build them. We are meant to go, like, fucking thingy, what you call it, Harleys in Preston. Yeah, but you don't talk American in there, because you go, I want chips, and they give you crisp. Yeah. Yeah, I stopped behind the fucking Mercedes and they were starting to get out of the car. Yeah, because I was sat there, but they were thinking I was going to, you know, go, right, that's a dickhead. And you clearly tell we got nowhere to pull in, but they carry on. Yeah, this is why I hate Sundays. Right, I'm sorry, I can get a Mercedes through there. Because it's a Mercedes, get it? It would be alright, they don't illegally park. They're putting yellow, they had yellow, there isn't. They are putting yellow lines up here in the summer, apparently. All the way up here. They were meant to do it last year, then I crashed. Oh! After traffic, that is nice. But I had my visor up so I couldn't see half of that. Yeah, just be careful down here. There's a little thing called cars like coming into our lane and not giving way. Oh. Wow. Right, now I'm going to be careful. Because obviously it's cyclists in front and I have no idea what's through around that corner. Don't you have to see then? That's the funny thing about when you watch my video, you don't know where my eyes are looking, but I can see through like little areas, because obviously I ride this a lot. I know where the little areas are. I shouldn't be in that gear. I went a little too slow there. Yeah, my thingy was stuttering because I was in that too high of a gear. Yeah, there's something wrong with this rear end. I'm sure the tyre's looking flat. Well, flatter than it should be. Right, this is the problem around here. They just dump them there, that's why they have the rocks everywhere. But they throw the rocks everywhere. Up here's the worst. You know where all the parking is? Good boy, you didn't try and run the bike over. Are you cycling or are you pushing? Nav 10i, this car's been careful, so that's not bad. Yeah, we can't mess in front of that four-wheel. Yeah. Went in the wrong fucking gear again. Well, I went in neutral, which isn't a gear. Now the fun bit. Wait. I'm sorry, I could get past a cyclist quicker than this. Granted, I am on a bike. Not so I'm not trying to go around the corner and have a head on. And it was a good boy. I was a very good boy there. Ah, cyclist! I'll make him. Meet you at the bottom. Fucking cyclist! Cameraman's here. Hello? You having fun? Did you like the cameraman? All I saw was you shooting up behind me. Yeah, I'm doing photos. My iPhone!